So we're going to start by cutting our standard piece in half. And then what we're going to need to do for our layout is we're going to put the one guy on top of the other guy. And we're going to take our square. And we're going to make sure that these guys are square to each other. So I'm going to set this one guy up against here and say, you know what, how about we move this over a little bit. So we're going to do this guy here, hold that guy down, turn this, and strike a line here. Oh, that line was not entirely square because something shifted. There we go. Now, take this square off and strike a line on the other side. And now, when I take a look at this guy should fit directly in there. Now, set that guy aside, and I'm going to need to draw the rest of the shelf down here so that I'm going to take these two shoulder lines and put them down 3/8 of an inch and then create a floor. I'm going to do that on both sides. So I'm going to measure down 3/8 of an inch. And this actually will be easier if I put this in the bench vise. So if you come closer here, there we go. So if I take this guy and I measure down 3/8 of an inch, oops, nope. It will be easier this way. Here we go. So I need to also set this actually to an inch mark. There we go. So 1, 2, 3. Put a dot. And I want my line to be an extension of the other line. I do the same thing on the other side. And then I'm going to connect these two lines to make the floor. There we go. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So come down to 3/8 and come down to 3/8. And across. Now I have this guy, and this bit in the middle here is my waist. So let's cut this out, and I'm going to use my miter box. Now that I've done my layout, now it's time to start cutting into it.